Hello, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Pablo and I said that I would send over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. Then I'm going to go through one of your competitor sites. And then I'm going to give you guys a couple of ways that you can use yourselves today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Fletcher Roofing homepage. Right away, I can see that you guys definitely spent some time and or some money into the site. It looks really good and it's laid out really well. It also looks very professional. However, scrolling through, I'm not seeing a lot of content. And so content is super important. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did do a word counter search and you currently have 382 words. So I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. In addition to having enough content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. And so Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A great example of a keyword right here is roofing Stafford, VA. This keyword brings in 260 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a small fraction of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. Beneath our search bar, we have Google Ads. Google Ads can be a really good way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, or they're good when you want to take advantage of a hot market or promote a special event that you have going on. Also, they can be a good fast leads option while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. Below the ads, we have our Google Map Pack. I can see that you guys have secured a spot in the top 3, so congratulations. I can also see that you guys have plenty of good reviews, which is always great. And so now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they're going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. In addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local flooring company were to give you a backlink from their powerful site, that would be a really great way to bring more power to your site. Right here, we can see that the first company pages that pop up for this keyword are peakroofingcontractors.com and staffordroof.com. So over here, I popped onto SEMrush. SEMrush, by the way, is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me a couple $100s a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so right here, I typed in peakroofingcontractors.com, and I can see that they have around 4,600 backlinks from 484 different domains, and they are ranking organically for 1,884 keywords. Down here, we can take a closer look and see which keywords those are. You want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. Here, we'll list all the different keywords they're ranking for, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, how much traffic it brings them every month, and how many people search for that keyword every month. And so you can go through, see which ones apply to what you do, and incorporate the best ones into your content. And so now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the same thing that I just did with the keywords to their backlinks. And so right now it's saying they have around 4,600 backlinks. You don't want to just beat out your competitors with the quantity of backlinks, but you want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you can go through and see which backlinks have a high AS authority score. You can click on the best ones and see if you can have your website listed on these different pages. You can go through these backlinks, you can go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on your own as well. Over here, I've typed in the second competitor and see they only have 96 backlinks from 59 different domains, and they are ranking organically for 36 keywords. And so this would be a lot easier to beat out in order to get into the second spot. And then over here, I've typed in your website into SEMrush as well. Right now, you guys have 106 backlinks from 12 different referring domains, and you are ranking organically for 37 keywords. And so although the last page, you actually had a couple more backlinks than they do, but you can see you only have 12 referring domains, whereas they have 59. So referring domains are very important as well. But to take a closer look, and let's see what keywords you are ranking for and how well you're ranking for them. And so it seems you have one first page result for roof restoration Stafford. For the rest, you're ranking anywhere from the second page down to an average of around the 5th page, few in the 9th page. But I think you could definitely get rised in the ranks for the right keywords if you were to incorporate the 3 things that I talked about in this video into your online marketing plan, which, to recap: number 1, more quality educational content with the right keywords. And then number 2, you want to get more high-powered relevant backlinks. And number 3, you want to make sure that those backlinks are from multiple referring domains. And so to go back to your overview here, right now it's saying that you guys have 11 people finding you organically every single month. And if we go back to the first competitor over here, we can see that they have around 7,000 people, 6,900 people visiting their site organically every single month. And so if they were to close 25% of those clicks into customers, that would be 1,725 customers per month. Multiply that by the cost of an average roofing job at $6,000. That's actually $10 million, $350,000. And then factor in a 20% profit margin, and they're still at $2,070,000 per month. So that just gives you a good idea of how lucrative having a powerful site can be when it's ranking for the right keywords. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can just email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.